What's going on, guys? My name's Logan with West Desert Wheeler. Today we just received my latest Trucks of Freedom package from Vanquish Products. So this is a promotion that they do where you buy a set price and then it's a random order that you receive. So you don't know what truck is showing up, but it's either a possibility of any of their RTRs or any of their kits. I think it excludes the Metal Origin this year, which is totally fair. I mean, that's a $4,000 RC, right? So you pay a fixed price. I believe this year it was $6.99. I just got this guy in the mail here in the last 30 minutes, so I'm pretty excited to see what's inside of this. So I've participated in these before, and we are going to open it up. I just want to talk a little bit about Trucks of Freedom and Wheels of Fortune and all that. So it started off with Wheels of Fortune, and I entered and did that. That was the first one that I had participated in, and I got a random set of wheels, and they come with special hardware and special colors, potentially. The ones I got were not particularly special, necessarily. I got my first Wheels of Fortune. They were bronze 305s, and then it had blue IFR rings. Now, personally, I didn't love the blue combo with the bronze, but I have other Vanquish wheels, and I ended up doing a trade on the blue IFRs for something else, and then ended up buying aftermarket rings for those wheels. So it worked out, got a set of wheels, and it was at a discounted rate. It was a lot of fun just to see what would show up with the potential of getting something cool and unique, like a purple limited edition color that you can't buy. So during these promotions, they do colors that you cannot buy. So that's kind of like the incentive of like, ooh, might get something really cool here that isn't available, limited edition, that was never really available. So that's pretty fun. So let's talk about a previous Truck of Fortune that I had purchased. I've only done this once before with a Truck of Fortune, or Truck of Freedom it was. I've got a card for it. It's been sitting up here for years. It's from 2024. Kind of cool little laser engraved card up there. And what I got with that was a gray 4-dice RTR, and it came with metal incision drive shafts and incision light kit for the 4-dice. It also had a limited edition blue anodized metal rod ends from Vanquish. Those are pretty cool. That's the most limited thing that I've actually gotten out of one of these, is some blue rod ends. So I'm hoping for a little bit of more luck this year. But overall, I was actually looking for a gray 4-dice, and I really just lucked out. So had a good time with that. I'm happy with how that purchase went. And this year I was like, you know what, the timing worked out. I was able to pick one up right now. So really looking forward to it. Let's talk about what I'm nervous of being inside of this box. There are some things that I actually am not particularly looking for. And let's talk about what that might be from Vanquish's lineup. I'm very fortunate that I get to work with Vanquish on releases and whatnot. I had to jump online and buy this as soon as I could as it was posted. I got on there, as quick as I could, purchased it, got checked out, did everything. I don't get any discounts, and I don't get any kind of special orders or anything. I literally just buy one, they get the order, they shipped it out. That's all there was to it. So there's no special treatment here. I'm nervous to get an Optic Kit because I'm fortunate that I've worked with Vanquish on these releases. I already have 2 optics in the stable. I've got the brushless RTR up here with a few little changes to it, and then I've got my previous Optic Kit over there that's got 4-wheel steer, weighted knuckles, brushless, all that stuff. In this box, this is like an RTR sized box. However, when I was carrying it in my room, I noticed something in there was sloshing a little bit. So I've got a feeling that we've got a kit on our hands. So very interested to see what's inside of here. The other things I'm kind of nervous for as far as just like the additional parts is I don't want any of the monster green anodized or antifreeze green anodized parts, whatever the real name of it is. It looks like the Monster Energy green. What I'm hoping to get out of this is something VS410 based. I love the VS410 platform. There's so many great options out there. I have one over there, but it's a hard body project, and it's essentially a chassis with a raw hard body just sitting there with shrink RC body adapters. So we'll see how that goes. I also would love to get something gray anodized, whether that's an axle set or a wheel set. Vanquish doesn't do many gray anodized things anymore. They don't offer gray axles, and then they don't have many gray wheel options, but they did do a limited edition gray axle set and wheels. I love the anodized gray. I would love to see that. So it's time, guys. Let's get this thing cracked open. I have not looked at this. I'm gonna take the pocket knife, and again, no special treatment, didn't leave any order notes, nothing. They just packed an order as if it was anybody else. And with how many orders they probably got for this. I doubt that they even noticed whose name was on it. All right, so what are we gonna do here? Should we pull up the flap and mill around and see what we feel is going on here? Got a little packing material out the top. Okay, I think I know what this is. We've got some Wheels of Fortune, so this is pretty cool. They've got their awesome little sticker here and whatnot. Looking forward to seeing what these are. 2026 Special Operations Wheels of Fortune. Let's crack these open and see what we've got here, guys. Again, hoping for something gray. They also had a dark red maroon finish that was super cool. I would love to see those as well. So we did get Wheels of Fortune, which not every truck, I don't think, necessarily gets Wheels of Fortune. I don't know what I've got yet. No way, dude. We got the Deltas in that limited red. Very, very cool. I ordered Vanquish parts the day before they announced they were gonna do Trucks of Freedom, and I've got them sitting right here. I just bought raw Deltas, so I'm a fan of this wheel. This is my second set, and this is now my third set in a limited color. That's pretty freaking awesome. Already pretty stoked on this. Let's see what other things we might find in this bag. I know it's gonna have hubs, potentially an aftermarket ring, I'm not sure. We'll just dump this guy out here. So we've got some IFR clear anodized rings to go along with these wheels. So we're gonna get some clear rings to go with it. So extra rings, you know, can't complain about that, that's rad. These are IFR compatible. The Battleborn wheels are not IFR compatible. And that was everything in this bag. Super, super satisfied with that. And then a pack of 4 hubs. Are these 350s or 475s? It's hard to tell. These are silver, obviously. They are not anodized. That turned out pretty funny that I happened to mention that they made that limited red color that I really liked. I'm really stoked on those wheels. So let's see if we got anything else rummaging around in here. Definitely a kit box. Oh, ooh. What we got here? So we got our Vanquish Products Trucks of Freedom card. We got a couple large packages here. Nice, very nice. We got some HD 44s. These are not limited colors, but metal housings and wheels in a truck. I'm not mad at that. That's a pretty sick combo. Let's crack this open, see if there's anything else hiding in here. Diff covers are red. So, like I say, standard HD 44s, but super badass. This is a straight axle. I know that they only put axles that go with whatever you get. So we got something straight axle in here. So that's cool. Straight axle rear as well. So I don't think we got a mullet kit. Again, HD 44. So these are like the Curry style axles. Let's take a look at this guy. So yeah, got a lanyard with a little metal tag here. I'm gonna put that metal tag up on my bench next to the other Trucks of Freedom card I've got. Not necessarily a collector of those items, but it's just something cool that they send with. And then yeah, got a little lanyard to go with. We'll probably throw that on a radio or something later on, maybe for my boy. So super cool. I'm gonna put this card up here. It's gonna live up here later on. So we'll keep on going. At this point with axles and wheels, I don't expect anything else to be in this box because that's a good haul there. Let's rummage around a little bit. Yep, okay guys, I think this is the moment of truth. Time to see what we got in the box, which truck we ended up with. I gotta cut a little more tape. There we go. Oh, very, very nice. Origin Classic, super sick. Couldn't be happier, honestly. I've actually ended up really happy with both Trucks of Freedoms that I've purchased. And again, no special treatment, no special order requests or anything like that. I didn't message anybody about anything. Like, sick. Got an Origin, and then we've got the metal axles to go with it. So it's essentially an Origin Classic Pro with this setup. The transmission upgrades might be a little bit different. And then on top of that, got some super rad Battleborn Deltas to go along with it in a limited color. So that's definitely going to influence the paint that we choose for this. And there you go, guys. That's my Trucks of Freedom here. We got some clear IFR compatible rings, raw housings on that. I'm actually a fan of the raw housings. Those look really good. The black looks good, but it doesn't stand out like the raw does. When you have raw housings, it's like, yeah, I've got aluminum housings on this. When they're anodized black, it's a little bit harder to tell, and so it's a little more subtle. But if you got flashy axles, you might as well show off a little bit. So there you go, guys. There's my Trucks of Freedom. Super excited, like genuinely happy with what I got here. And I think the value's here because these axle housings are not inexpensive. These wheels are, MSRP is their standard wheel set, but I know on street price, these would carry a big premium for just these limited wheels here, especially on a good looking wheel like this. They have their old KMC Bullies, I believe, in some limited colors that I've seen this year. Not my favorite wheel. They're just a little bit dated at this point. I'm really stoked with what I got. So thank you very much, Vanquish Products. I think this is a really fun promotion that they do. Hope you guys enjoy the content here, just hanging out at the bench. So we will catch you guys in the next one. Keep the rubber side down. Check out westdesertwheeler.com if you're bored as well. Pick up a sticker pack. I'm going to be slapping some WDW stickers on there. We'll see you guys in the next one. What's up, buddy?
I need to poop.
Okay, please close the door.